Hello friends, we are back with a special Konkani dessert recipe Mando. This dessert is usually prepared during festivals and functions, but it has literally become extinct now because it is little complicated to prepare and not an easy dish. But I have modified the traditional process here and added my own twist to simplify it. So let's see how this is prepared. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the latest notification from us. To prepare this dish, the ingredients required are half a cup coconut grating, half a cup flattened rice. Traditionally, popped rice is used. Since I did not have it available, I have used flattened rice. Half a cup of sugar, 6 to 7 elaichi pod, 2 tablespoons sesame seed, few cashew and almond optional, 1 cup of maida, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon ghee. Firstly, to begin with, crush the dry fruits. Preheat the kadai and add the flattened rice and dry roast it until it turns golden brown. Next, add sesame seed to the same kadai and dry roast this as well. Add the dry fruit mixture and dry roast them. Add the coconut grating and dry roast them until they turn aromatic. Once everything is dry roasted, shift it to a plate immediately for it to cool down. Once the mixture is cooled down, to a mixer add the elaichi, sugar and the dry roasted mixture. Keep 1/4 of sesame seeds separately and grind everything until you get a fine powder. In a bowl, add the maida and salt and mix the dry ingredients well. Once it's mixed well, add the ghee and mix that as well. Add warm water and prepare a soft and fluffy dough. To prepare the puri for the mando, make small balls from the dough and roll it using a rolling pin. Once it is flattened really thin, poke both the sides using a fork so that it doesn't fluff up in the oil. Preheat the kadai full of oil and cook the puri until they turn golden brown. Once they turn golden brown, immediately shift them to a flat surface and add the stuffing. Add the stuffing which was previously prepared and fold it into half and press it using a fork. Fold it further and join the ends using a fork. Now your raw mando is prepared. We will further be using a microwave oven in high for about 1 minute and cooking the mandos for it to harden. Stop the microwave at 30 seconds and flip the mando and cook for another 30 seconds so that both the sides of the mando is equally cooked. Your mandos are ready. Hope you like this video. If you like our videos, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. We have previously posted a lot of dessert recipes. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Keep smiling.